Episodes of care, something that you'll be doing regularly throughout your block as well as throughout your course at different times. So they're the normal episodes of care that you've already been exposed to. It's just that you're now completing all these forms online. So to complete a form, you click complete new, and it'll give you some little bit of information. You'll see the little red asterisk, which means you must complete all sections. So you're going to say complete that, and then you're going to put in the agency and the woman's details. So the gravida and para, gestation, this is a Caesar, so 38 weeks, and we'll make it 4 days, and it was an elective Caesar. And indication for Caesar, we're going to say previous. Any adverse outcomes? No. And if you did, then you provide comments. Notice you don't have to because there's no asterisk. Student reflection depends on whether you want to, but being mindful that you do need to do consistent reflection throughout. And then supervisor sign off. So today we're going to have Nellie Williams, and she will sign off here. Click into the box, sign, save, and she was a midwife that you worked with. And then down here, you're going to repeat her details and put in an email address. I'll just put mine so that it sends. This is what we talked about in one of the other videos, flagged response. If I click flag now, that will bring it to your front dashboard page when it's submitted. So I'm going to flag that. If you want to unflag it, then you just unflag it like that. So we're going to flag, and I'll show you what that looks like on the home page. So save for later if you didn't have all the relevant information or you're concerned, or otherwise submit. Okay, and then if we go back to our dashboard by just clicking back here, you can see now that that's been flagged on the front screen. Another thing to note, you can click on back into that and that'll bring you back to where that one was. Okay, but also too, if we go into our episodes of care again, you will note now that you've got blue. So that means that you've commenced these. Your numbers will start adding up here.